This is Bernie Sanders bringing you the weather report here for Smash O Mash. He's still on vacation from his weather reporting. The first thing I would draw your attention to is this website here. This is weather.gov, and as we know, the government does everything better than private business. Now, let's look at where the advisories are. First of all, look at the Northeast. Heat advisories everywhere up here. This is what happens when you warm the globe with your carbon. Also, as predicted by former Vice President Al Gore, we're getting more frequent and more violent storms causing death and flooding. Here are the advisories for floods in the Deep South and all through the Rust Belt. Now, as we know, the 1% does not care about poor people in these areas. They only care about profits, which is why people like Donald Trump are only interested in giving tax cuts to millionaires and billionaires and large multinational corporations. The other advisory we should probably take a look at is this frost advisory in North Dakota. Now, as everybody clearly knows, since the consensus is in, 97% of scientists agree that the planet is warming and that human carbon dioxide emissions are the cause of the warming, which is why there's frost in early September in North Dakota. Let's take a look at the Doppler weather maps. There is still heavy rain, which means over here and over here, everything's just fine, where all your millionaires and billionaires are living in the lap of luxury. While in these areas, poor people don't have access to anything. Boats, rafts, skiffs, catamarans, or Spanish galleons. I leave you with one final message from Smash O Mash. On your way to economics class, don't drink unless the economics class is proctored by Bernie Sanders. Because if it's proctored by Bernie Sanders, you'll want to be drunk.